Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu, dear ones. Fasting is the fourth pillar of Islam, that is as-sawm, specifically fasting the month of Ramadan. Allah the Almighty commanded Muslims to observe fasting in the month of Ramadan in the Quran chapter 2 verse 183, where he says, Ya ayyuhal ladhina amanu kutiba alaykumus siyamu kama kutiba ala alladhina min qablikum la'allakum tattaqun. O you who believe in Allah, fasting has been made obligatory on you, just as it was made obligatory on the people before you, so that you may attain piety. If we consider this verse very well, we could see that the fasting was made obligatory on Muslims, and they were not the first people on whom the fasting was made obligatory. The people who came before us, they were also obligated by God to do the fasting. And the purpose of the fasting is to attain the piety of Allah, that is to have the fear of Allah, to be obedient to Allah, and to refrain or to avoid being disobedient to Allah. The period of the fasting is from Fajr, that is when the true dawn appears at dawn, up to sunset. Within this period, you don't have to be engaged in anything that invalidates your fasting. Things like eating, drinking, getting into sexual activities, and all other things that can invalidate your fasting. You need to avoid them, but with intention. It will not be that for the whole day you have not eaten and you say it is fasting that you have done. You need to intend of doing the fasting and avoid all the things that invalidate the fasting in order for it to be accepted as fasting. The fasting are so many types. It has so many types. Now, this one we are talking about, which is considered one of the pillars of Islam, is the obligatory fasting. There are also optional fasting Muslims can observe, like fasting on Thursdays and Mondays, or maybe fasting on specific days during the year, like the day of Arafah for those who are not on the Arafah ground, and fasting the day of Ashura, and so many other days that are there. The fasting has a lot of health benefits, and doctors and professors have confirmed that. Muslims fast because it's a command from Allah the Almighty for them to do the fasting, and they also get the health benefits that are associated with the fasting just because they are obeying Allah the Almighty. So fasting is very, very important, and it's a very important worship as far as Islam is concerned. So you have to observe the fasting when the time reaches. That is when the moon or the crescent of the month of Ramadan is being seen. Then each and every Muslim who is in a good condition, he should have good health condition for him to observe the fasting before he does that. But if he has a disease or a sickness that prevents him from doing that, then he will have to feed the needy and the poor in place of his fasting. There are so many things we can talk about the fasting, but in summary, this is the brief we have for you regarding the fasting. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.